The Dow had a volatile afternoon on Tuesday after starting the day strong as Wall Street took yet another sharp turn after weeks of uncertainty and dizzying ups and downs. After opening 300 points up at 24,719, the Dow slowly decreased throughout the afternoon before landing at around 24,225 at 2 p.m. As the end of trading loomed, it climbed slowly back up again, but failed to gather pace. By 4 p.m., they had struggled to recover and closed at 24,370.24, 50 points down from Monday. The S&P 500 had a similarly chaotic day, starting at 2,664, but dropping to 2,662 at around the same time. TradingView Privacy Policy. The worst slump coincided with President Trump's bombastic Oval Office press conference with congressional leaders, where he said he would shut down the government in order to move ahead with his border wall plans. "If we don't get what we want, one way or the other, I will shut down the government," he said. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi fought back and said the country could not afford a shutdown. Banks, industrial and technology companies were responsible for most of the losses on Tuesday, a common theme over the last few months as the U.S.'s business relationship with China becomes increasingly precarious. U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin and Chinese Vice Premier Liu He have spoken by phone about the promotion of the next economic and trade consultations, a statement by China's Commerce Ministry said Tuesday. That raised hopes that the two countries can make progress on their trade dispute. Investors worry weaker global trade would dent economic growth around the world and corporate profits. The tensions have waxed and waned repeatedly this year, which has helped make the stock market particularly volatile recently. Another flashpoint for the two countries is the detention of Meng Wanzhou, the chief financial officer of Chinese telecommunications giant Huawei, in Canada. Meng is wanted in the U.S. for allegedly misleading banks about the company's business dealings in Iran. China has protested her arrest